Hey guys, we're back in the Mustang GT. It's a nice sunny day outside, and I was just thinking I'd take it around my favorite back roads, have some fun. Yeah. I'm gonna put the exhaust mode into sport. I always do that when I get in this car. I'm gonna put the drive mode into Sport Plus, take the steering feel out of sport, put it back into comfort, and yeah, let's get along with this drive. This thing is all warmed up. We got my favorite mode on. First, like, not just sunny, but also hot day out too. Every time I come out here, I want to try to go for a nice 0 to 60 record. I think I might be able to. I want to see if I can get into the fours today. This thing's just so loud. I can't even, like, feels like I can't talk without it going over my voice. But yeah, I'm gonna see what I can do. So I'm gonna mess around with just regular drive mode, see how it like if I put my, yeah, that was about 3/4 throttle. It put me in 4th gear. Not bad. Let it rev down, help with my braking. On the brakes, hit this turn. And then we have to slow down a little bit. Down to here. Sharp turn. I'm gonna, let's do 3rd. Ease into it. I'm gonna slow down before I get to this car. I just wanna give myself room. Oh. This thing thought I was about to rip on it around a turn. That's funny. So, oh, there's a little kit there. That's fine. I'm gonna put it in 2nd. I'm gonna let it shift itself. Oh, that sounds great. I'm gonna upshift it just cause. Oh, that's so fun. I love that. I'm gonna put it in that mode. Take it around this curve. Nice. And oh, I probably should let it cool down a little bit. I'll be okay. So I actually want to try a little 0 to 60. You know what? Maybe if my engine's a little hot, it'll be okay. Maybe I'll put less power down and it'll be easier to, or no, my engine will make a little less power and it'll be easier to do 0 to 60. So I'm gonna stop just after this little thing right here. There we go. Acceleration timer. Let's do 0 to 60. Automatic start. I'm just gonna, no launch control. Honestly, I don't even know how to do it, even if there is launch control, but I'm just gonna let it do its thing. Ready, go. Oh my God, I forgot to hit okay. Oh no. Oh God, I'm so disappointed in myself. I forgot to hit okay. Ah, dude. I was like, why isn't it doing the thing? All right, for the video and for myself, I'm gonna turn around and try one more time just because I really wanna, you know, it's the first day where the roads are actually gonna be warm. That guy's turning left. But let's do it for real this time. All right, ready, hit okay to begin. There we go. Now we go. Yeah. That is not, I feel like the road going that way might be a little better. I don't know. So I'm gonna get up to this little, past this little crack right here, slow down right after it, and then press OK to begin. Maybe a little lighter, but still pretty hard. Ready, go. Oh, test canceled. Are you kidding me? Starting again. OK to begin. Ah, 5.2. Yeah, nope. Yeah, nope. Not gonna happen. All right. So fours are not doable on today, or either that or I need to launch it, and or I freaking suck. But whatever. That's the best me today can do, and the best that this car on this road condition with me in it can do. So whatever. It's still the best I've ever done in this car. My record before that is a 5.3. Honestly, it's pretty sad. Don't flame me in the comments. I mean, I'm trying my best. This car's rear wheel drive. It's got all season tires on it. It's not optimal, so whatever. This car feels fast. It's fun. Whatever. I don't care. 0 to 60 is just for, I don't know, just for fun. It doesn't really matter. In the, I don't know about near future, maybe near future, my dad has a draggy device that can, you know, it records how quick your car can do different, you know, speeds. I just worded that so horribly, but you can do 0 to 60 tests, 60 to 130 tests, quarter-mile tests, stuff like that. If you'd want to see me do that in my car at all, please tell me in the comments, because that is something that I could be doing in the future. He is getting a new and newer updated version of the draggy at some point, so when he gets that, he'll give me his old one. But yeah, that's it for today's video. If you guys enjoyed, please drop a like, and please subscribe. I would appreciate that a ton. Today's just a quick video. Just, you know, it's a nice sunny day, and just want to make my day a little bit better by going back here having some fun. But yeah, I hope you guys have a good day, and I'll see you in the next one.